Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle You. This time we talk about netizen angrily wished for Blackpink Jisoo new movie to flop after her character reveal. Blackpink member Jisoo incoming movie Omnistic Reader Viewpoint has been embroiled in a controversy regarding its removal of any historical context from which the original web novel was adapted. After the recent character poster and teaser release, the pushback has only gotten stronger. An Omnistic Reader Viewpoint is a fantasy action film where the world of a long-running novel suddenly becomes real on the day the story ends. The story follows the Kim Dok-ja, the novel only reader, as she teams up with protagonist Yoo Jong-hyuk and other companies to survive in a world that has fallen. In the movie, each character fight using the special power bestowed upon them by all the constellation, which refer to good-like entity, and similar to Guardian Angel, the constellation character and of Lee Ji-hai, played by Jisoo, is Admiral Yi Sun-jin. And however, in the newly released character poster, Jisoo is seen wielding a gun instead of a sword, which is symbolically associated with the Admiral G. This alternation has sparked fear that the historical significance of Admiral G had been and the medal within the storyline. This concern comes after multiple and the precedent of the original web novel having historical sensitive content edited out of global release. For example, in the webtoon version of Mystic Reader Repoint, which was distributed in Japan, a line referring to national independence activity, Yogwanson was changed into a Yin Yang Secret of Contradiction. A Yin Yang master referred to ancient Japanese official who used to the principle of Yin Yang and the five elements of fortunate telling and geomancy. And now, additionally, the constellation was tied to Korean freedom fighter Han Jung-jeon, who was also reportedly removed, leading to more dissatisfaction among Korean fans who accused the team behind the webtoon of pandering to Japanese sentiment. And after the movie teaser came out, many netizens pointed out that it did not make sense historically to have Admiral Yi Sun-jin wield a gun instead of a sword and bow, given that he fought against Japanese musket during the Imjin War 1950 and the 290 and the 5097. Allegation of insufficient research behind world building stand pouring in the some domestic fan, and in response to live picture CEO Wong Dong-yeon made a special media post in February and stating that the changes were necessary to adapt a novel into a movie. He also reassured that the original author Jo Ho-min was aware of the alternation and approved of them. While there was a similar controversy surrounding the character of the Yo Jong-hyuk and his weapon, Won shared a poster of him wielding a sword as well. He clarified that you used both a sword and a gun in a movie. However, no such explanation was extended for Jisoo character Lee Ji-hai. Netizens are extremely unhappy with the constant omission of the historical significance of the character in the movie, even going as far as wishing for the project to fail financially. And I feel pathetic for having bought and read the entire book. I hope it flop and the Jung Jeon and the Yul Gwansong and Jisun are all the erased since all of it's gone. They just won't be able to act. Ha! And meanwhile, Omnistic Reader Viewpoint is slated for release in July. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.